right, here we go. Okay. Guys, that's a lot of water. Okay. I'm gonna soak this side really good. All right, so I got water pressure trying to get in there, okay? This is like serious. All right, so I'm gonna open this up and show you just how watertight I made this, and you guys can do the same as well, okay? So let's turn that off, go look inside, and show you the proof that this thing is watertight. All right. We are inside, and it's pretty dang close, guys. I mean, look at that. A little bit, just a tiny bit over there. Okay, and you saw just how much water I put in. Okay, but if you look, that's dry. Like, there's a lot of stuff there. There's a lot of dry areas. But yeah, you got a couple leaks on the sides. But you know what? That's nothing. Try this on your own hard top or soft top Tonneau cover, what I just did with the hose, and see how much water you guys get, okay? Guys, I dare you to do the hose challenge on your vehicles, okay? And see if it's as dry as this. Such small minor leaks on the side. And guys, that's with direct pressure, okay? Not just regular rain, because if it's regular rain, it's not coming in. But I used pressure on my hose. So I think that's pretty dang dry, guys. Tell me what you think. All right, guys, I've got my hardtop Tonneau cover from YiTa Motors. It's on my 2024 Ridgeline, okay? And I'm gonna show you guys that it's watertight, okay? I've had it now for a couple weeks, and I've had it through the rain and car washes and stuff. I have not had any issues. I am gonna go ahead and turn on the hose and water this thing really good. We're gonna check and see if there's any issues, okay? If it's raining, it's not even as bad as this. But the key to getting this thing watertight is to use 2 things of weather stripping. So you got to have 2 things of weather stripping. It needs to go over here, 2 of them, and it needs to come from here to down to here, okay? That will keep your vehicle watertight for most hardtop and soft top Tonneau covers, okay? So the seal here actually is really good as well. All right, so we're gonna see how well this holds up. I'm gonna open it up. I've put a lot of water on it. Okay, here we go. The moment of truth to see if this Tonneau cover is watertight. Okay, so obviously you're gonna get a little bit of leakage from here, but going inside, guys, look, here's the light. Nothing, guys, it's dry. Okay, there's a little bit over there on the left, okay, but I didn't really have much of a, there's a tiny drop right there. Guys, that's pretty good, okay? And there's a little bit over there as well. Otherwise, this is probably the weak link right around here. Over here, I probably could have put a little bit more weather stripping in right around here, okay? But guys, that's pretty darn good. Like, honestly, what do you think? Tell me how much water you guys get. Do the water hose test, guys. Do the water hose challenge. Guys, it's been wet and raining for quite a while now, and here's what it looks like on the inside. I'm gonna show you how dry this thing gets, okay? Here we are. You got just a little bit there on the side, very tiny. Nothing over there on that side. So, when you look down here under the mat, there you go. tiny bit, not much. Looks like the water tends to get in through this area where it folds, but it's a pretty small, minimal amount.